Property Management. We look forward to speaking with you when we return to the line. Looking for a place to call home? Right source. Real Property Management handles lots of properties throughout the area, from single-family homes to
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Moving during Corona 2020.
Took everything out. Yes, with the COVID-19, it's kind of hard, but we're doing it. Almost. I mean, this one will just go in the box that it has those hangers, but everything else is in boxes. Just some finishing stuff. Yeah, I will. What do you think? How long? What, in 2 days from now, right? I'm so tired and like exhausted, so I'm like I lost a day. I don't even know what day is it, but lost the year, lost the day, everything lost. I just that's the situation. And Miss Day we're watching, and she's there, and everything here is a mess. And well, the bed frame is right here. I mean, the rest of the frame. And then the bed is like on the floor already. We took it out. Now we're just gonna do like those finishing. This is what I'm gonna take for this like a week, 2 weeks, just for a little bit. And then I have another one just for shoes and stuff. And then this bag is gonna be for like body wash and skincare and like toilet paper and stuff. So bye.
Martin. Yeah. That was Linda. That was first 1 to 3 days? I took an hour. Yeah, 2. And 3 crows. Easy, easy. Hey guys, how are you?
We're doing Roblox, and you know, we're defeating the snowman. I have a hat.
Oh.
And I really want to put it on TikTok.
All right.
It's a hack about Roblox.
Wow. Tell me about it.
And you know some hacks about Roblox? Some famous people who have Roblox, who see the hacks of Roblox on TikTok, they do it, and I really want to. Hey, I already know that hack. So I put the music on, and then it looks like that you're hearing it from the boombox, so I don't actually have it. But no one else can hear it like the boombox. No. That's not how it goes. Let me show you the real way. You go to your music, and then when you go to your music, you put whatever song you want, and then you go to here, and then you press play, and then you can hear it without a boombox. No need.
Also in the car, we have everything here. One truck there and one truck here, and the car is loaded.
are you?
We're good. It's nighttime already though.
Whoa, you look creepy.
No, I don't. That's because of the camera. That's because of
The
the
light on top of you.
camera.
Hey, Nikki. How are you?
Hey, what's up? No! No! Get out!
Yeah. This is the face that I have when we're moving and I'm supposed to be happy, but they hacked my Instagram account. I was crying all night. Unbelievable. Empty house. Oh my god. It's all empty. So weird.